Taylor Swift and Travis Kelce's engagement announcement set France into overdrive last month. But speculations are turning head around all over the world about their prenup agreement. Now you might be wondering, what does that has to do with us law students? So prenup is a legally binding contract a couple signs before marriage to outline how assets, debts and finances will be divided in the event of divorce, separation or death. But there is no clear legal framework in India governing prenuptial agreements. The legal position remains ambiguous due to lack of clear judicial stance and absence of specific legislation. Prenup agreements are not mentioned explicitly in any existing personal laws governing different religions like Hindu law, Muslim personal law and etc. However, there are two exceptions to this. Number 1, Goa, which follows the Portuguese civil code under which prenup agreements are legally recognized and enforceable, making Goa the only Indian state with clear statutory support for prenups. Secondly, the Indian Divorce Act of 1869, applicable to Christians, which allows the court to consider prenuptial agreements while deciding separation of spouses. So in the case of Pran Mohan Das versus Hari Mohan Das, the Calcutta High Court noted that the prenuptial agreements were valid, and since the object of the agreement was not brokerage of marriage but distribution of property, and the agreement was not opposed to public policy. So do you think that amid increasing cases of divorces and alimony issues, there must be a prenup agreement legislation in India as well? Do mention your thoughts in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel.